Hello and welcome to Finextra TV. I'm Hannah Wallace, and kindly calling into a virtual studio now is Eblein Frangie, CEO of Finabank. So Eblein, thank you very much for calling, and it's good to have you on.
Thank you. It's an honor for me to be here.
Good to have you on. So yes, today we'll be hearing about the banking industry in Suriname, where Finabank fits in, how you're making an impact on your customers, and a bit about your partnership with Temenos. But I want to start the interview with you today reflecting on perhaps the unprecedented year just gone, 2020. So what is your view on banking now, and what role does it play in society today? Let's start there.
Yes, thank you, Hannah. The banking industry changed a lot from our transmission role traditionally, accepting saving accounts and providing our people and businesses with loans and investments to fuel the economy have changed in the past period. We've seen unprecedented times while we are being supported by our clients previously. We are the supporters right now, and we need to be there for our customers right now. What we have done in the past period is provide the market with enough liquidity so our businesses could continue pay out their employees. We provided them with moratorium loans, lower interest rates in order that the economy, although it slowed down a lot, could continue again. So where we were supported previously heavily by our commercial role, during the COVID period, the unprecedented times, the roles actually changed a little bit by being purely commercial to being very, very supportive and understanding to our customers and supporting them to survive this period.
Well, it sounds like you've adapted really well, though. So following on from that quite nicely, I'd love to hear a bit more about the banking industry, specifically in Suriname, and what Finabank's vision is. How does this fit into that?
So Suriname is a very large country geographically, but in terms of economy and in terms of people, we are very small. We have a lot of banks, 9 banks here in Suriname, which is actually too much for such a small economy. And the thing we see in our banks here is that our efficiency rate, our cost income ratio is pretty high compared to world standards, and we are relatively small. So our vision is in the banking industry, because I'm also the chairman of the banking association in Suriname, is that we need to try to find more synergy effects between ourselves, try to merge to have bigger banks in Suriname. But more importantly is we need to apply more technology. We need to apply more technology in terms of making banks much more efficient. Although labor costs are very, very, very low here in Suriname, I think the only way that we can move forward is by merging together, using technology as an efficiency tool within the bank, but also because it's a very geographically big country and people don't all live in one area, but they live all across Suriname. We think that also towards our client, our digital channels need to enable them to make the bank more accessible, more cost friendly, and of course manage those challenges as AML, CFT within the bank.
That's interesting. So on the subject of technology, let's home in on your products and services. How is Finabank making an impact to those customers you serve in Suriname through your products and services then?
So from the beginning on, we invested tremendously in technology. We were the first bank that introduced mobile banking in Suriname. We were the first bank when the COVID situation was very challenging. We were able to work from home, but still serve our customers. So technology for us is an enabler to have a better balance within the bank, work-life balance. Our people are now at home. I think 80% of our people are at home, working from home, serving our customers from home through technology. But altogether, we also see that our digital channels, which we implemented last year, are being used more than before. I think since COVID, a lot of transactions are being done through our online and mobile channels. We are putting a lot of effort into making those channels more efficient, more user-friendly, and more intuitive to be adaptive to the local needs and skills and knowledge of our people here in Suriname.
That's really interesting and a really positive partnership there. But before I let you go, Eblein, it'd be great if you could end on talking a bit about how you're making banking better in Suriname, specifically from Finabank's point of view.
From our point of view, how we make banking better is, first of all, listen to our clients. Try to understand the needs of our clients and try to understand why they need why they have certain requirements. When we have that, we go into the capabilities of our technology stack, for example, Temenos or the marketplace, and we try to find a solution for the need our customers have. That's how we make banking better, trying to find solutions for their needs. And that's what I also mentioned before, is the marketplace is a very good example of how you combine the new against the new world, the fintech world, the fast solutions for the fast needs, the fast changing needs of our customers. One of the solutions, for example, was we have a very low skilled society here that don't remember their passwords always. And one of the fintech solutions we found in the marketplace is BioID. So in order to enable our customers to use our digital channels more, they don't need to put in a password in there to log in into their mobile banking, but it scans their face or their thumb. And that was a huge solution for the needs our people have. They want to have a digital solution, but the intuitive one that they can use very easily in order to do their banking business.
Brilliant. Well, it was so good to hear from a bank from Suriname. We don't often get the chance to, and it was good to hear your perspective. So thank you very much for calling in, and I speak for Temenos as well. It was good to speak with you. Thank you.
Thank you.